Hi guys, in this video we will discuss about the GD Turbo filter. This filter is very powerful and you can filter lakhs number in just some minutes. If you want to filter your bulk numbers, lakhs numbers in just minutes, so you can use this tool and filter your number in just minutes. If you want to download and use this tool, I have also provided the download link in video description. Just click on video description link and download this tool. After install the tool, you can check here on your desktop this tool icons like this. Just double click on this icon and open the tool. If you use this tool first time, so you see a registration form, and after the registration and insert the license key, you will see a screen like this. I have also link my WhatsApp account. If you have also link your WhatsApp account, so you can check here WhatsApp also ready. It's mean and this program automatically restore your season. No need every time QR code scan by your WhatsApp. Okay, this tool store your WhatsApp season. After the scan QR code or restore WhatsApp account, two buttons also enable: select folder and generate numbers. If you don't scan your WhatsApp account, so all buttons also disable. After scan the account, two button enable: select folder and generate numbers. If you have also some numbers in your Excel sheet on another file, so create a files in a folder in txt format, txt extension file. Also you can see here text file. So create text file with country code numbers. Okay, after create the file or generate the numbers, or select the folder. Which folder select, that folder contain your numbers text file. So I don't have numbers file. I can create generate number by clicking generate number. Enter country code and enter your starting number. Suppose my number is 9536377940 and I want to generate 7,000 numbers, sorry 5,000 numbers. Okay, I have generating 5,000 numbers and generate and save. Numbers generated successfully. After click the generate and save, automatically create a file and store the file in document folder. You can check here in document folder. I have also a number file. Just you can check here. I have two files, so I can delete a old file and I want to keep a single file, because I don't want my also filtered files. After generate number or ready your file, select the folder. Which folder select, that folder contain your numbers files. So I have created some numbers in document folder. In document folder, number generated folder, and select the folder. All files, all text files name here showing which folder you have selected. Okay, after select the file, two buttons also enable: start filtration and setting. You can click here setting. Number one, batch size. Batch means numbers in a group. You can set here as your wish. I have also set 200 number. You can set 5 to 500. Okay, so I have set 200 numbers in a group, because this program send numbers in for filtration in a group. Okay, so this program 200 number group send a request. In a request send 200 number for filtration. Okay, after send the 200 numbers, this program wait for 1 second. You can set here 0.3 to 120 seconds. So I can set 0.5 second. It means after send the 200 numbers, this program wait for 0.5 second. Okay, if you filter large numbers, so you can enable sleep mode. Okay, sleep mode, it's avoid your WhatsApp account ban. Okay, you can check here sleep after batch. After batch mean, because in a batch 200 number, after batch 10 batches. It means when send 10 batches to to server for filtration. This program wait for 10 seconds. Okay, so I can save setting. After save the setting, you can click here for filtration start. Just I click here start filtration. You can check here 200 numbers sending in a batch. After 10 batch, this program it's going to sleeping mode and wait for 10 seconds, because I have set also 10 second wait after that 10 batches. Okay, so cover the 10 second after program automatically filtration process start. Again 10 second batches when 10 second batches, the program automatically wait for 10 seconds and again automatically restart. So you can avoid the your WhatsApp account banning issue if you use sleeping mode. Okay, you can check here the WhatsApp filtration process completed. After the completed, you can check status of time taken, time spent time. You can see here for filter the 5000 number, this program spent 37 seconds. It means 37 seconds taken for 5000 numbers. Okay, you can see here status in 5000 number 1803 numbers exist on WhatsApp and 3197 numbers not exist on WhatsApp. Okay, after filtration, the complete the filtration, you can check the status output file save on desktop in filter output folder. After complete the process of filtration, your files will be created on desktop. You can see here on desktop, if filter output folder not created on desktop, so this program automatically create this folder. If exists the folder, so this program not create the folder and replace your files exist and not exist, because this program export to result in two files. Number one is exist on WhatsApp and second one is not exist on WhatsApp. In exist.txt file contain that number which not exist on WhatsApp. If you click Control A, so you can see here total numbers is 1803 numbers. It means out of 5000 number 1803 numbers no exist on WhatsApp, and approx 3000 number not exist on WhatsApp. You can check here control by pressing a Control A, the 3197 numbers not exist on WhatsApp. You can check here status. Okay, so this program is also powerful and ultra fast program, and you can easily filter lakhs number in just some minutes. Okay, if you need this program lessons or reseller and admin panel, so you can contact us. My number also showing on my screen.